Afternoon YouTube, how are we today? Overcast but quite a pleasant day. It's about 14 degrees. So in the last video, an issue with the front brake piston. Turns out it was just rubbish, it was stuck in it. So it didn't cost me a new piston. So that's me up and running again. So I'm just taking a quick blast along the coast just to check everything's alright. So I'm just going to chill out. Make my way to the Vlogsters Carpark. For you new to the channel, yes, I do have my own car park. It is mine's. I'll need to get it ready for the new season. Oh, it's good to be back out. Makes a difference. I thought I was going to have the bike off the road for a week or so with that piston, because the guy I use is pretty busy most of the time, knows his stuff, and his prices are good as well. Am I going to plug him in the channel? Nope, because if he gets any more busier he'll probably have a heart attack. He's pretty chock-a-block every day. Kind of hard to judge if it's going to rain or no. Not that it'll matter to me anyway, but it does suck the fun out of it a wee bit. Down to 30. Aye, so it's Friday and I'm day off. It's been a long time since I've had a Friday off. It seems quite strange actually that people contacting, they're doing this, doing that, and I feel as if I should join in, but then I said to myself, nah, I'm not joining in. I'm going to take this moment, test my bike and enjoy it. So if you contacted me today and I haven't replied, that's the reason. I want to be with myself. Now do I scoot by him? Aye. Aye, so I'll stop at the Vlogsters Carpark and we'll have a wee moment. So this is us coming into Fairley. As the sign says. And here we have the entrance to the Vlogsters Carpark. As we go in, dog, so we don't want to rev the engine too much. More doggies. Aye, so you've got Hunterson over there. Can it be a wee bit of slow manoeuvres? Aye, so I'll catch up with you in a minute. Cheers! Aye, so there it is. You got a nice view. It's the Vlogsters Carpark. What can I say? So it needs a wee clean up for the new season. It's available for weddings, memorials, picnics. Send me a message. Bikers get in free, obviously. I need to find somewhere to put my sign up, eh? So if you're ever here, take a picture, send it to me. I need to go and charge this dog walker for entry. It's me putting on the front facing camera, or should I say rear facing camera. You can see my face, eh? Right, let's make our way. Alright, so I'll need to find somewhere to put a sign up, eh? It's a wee tad windy. Aye, so that's in Fairley. If you're in the car park, send me a picture. Oh, here we go, big bike. Nice. Well, since I'm in the neighbourhood, may as well go to Largs, the #1 destination. So I don't know what to be up to. Friday, eh? Next thing you know, I'll have a Saturday and Sunday off. Oh, bike up in front of us. Oh, stretch your legs. So as you can guess, no topic today. Plenty of things happening that could talk about, but most of them involve the politics of the country, which I'm not interested in. So we'll not be talking about that. Kelburn Country Centre. So get a wee coffee at Largs, or a big coffee. If you ever meet me up here, I like a cappuccino, just so you know. Here comes another big bike. Do a wave or do a nod? Let's go for a wave. And he waves back. Excellent. Largs Golf Club. We might go back via the Healy Bray. He ignored me. Ah! You can't ignore the Vlogster, come on! So hopefully this good change in the weather continues. We don't get any snow or anything. Hopefully this is the start Get the big numbers out again. Hot spray tan. Yes. That's a must. That's it, take your time. Alright. That's it. Not paying attention. And we have arrived in the number one destination in Ayrshire. That is Knox. Yeehaw! Oh, very courteous. Nope, you'll wait. More red lights. Seems to be the way today. Oh. It's been a while since I've seen somebody in the beat. Cop doing a beat. Hey. Oh, we are very courteous today. Yes, it's called a road. You don't stand in it. Nope, I'm not letting you across. Shift your ass. And again, fucking tape this thing up. I'm swearing. That's not good. The Vlogster doesn't swear. Oh, few bikes, like it. Right, I'll catch you soon. I'm going for a coffee. Well, that's the bike thoroughly tested. It's a good wee blast. Just have a wee run along at Orsa Shore. I'll put her away. So if you like the video, like my ramblings. It's a wee bit of a change. Hit the like button. Stick in the comments anything you'd like to add. First time in the channel. Check my other videos out. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell. Don't forget to hit the bell. Share the video. And I'll catch you all soon. Bye.